steal cookies while we're doing this.
You can eat as many cookies as you want. You know that. So how many people you think are having?
Probably about 100 people.
Because you had your wedding in Tuscany, it was an amazing trip. I say we replicate the castle. Just make like
I should have thought you would come up with something like that because that's you.
Yeah, I mean,
I can't just
that's
be
how I roll. No. If I make a replica of the castle, it'll really bring her back to her wedding day, and it'll be a lot of fun.
You gotta bring it to the show so everybody gets to see it.
I get to come on a show, too?
Oh, come on, no surprise, right?
So Rachel's visit's going great, and I'm going to deliver a cake on the show. I mean, how great is that? Then I hear that voice.
Rachel, look what I have. Our famous Italian cookies. Look, she wants to try some of our cookies. I made them myself.
The thing about my sister Grace is that she's a huge Rachel Ray fan.